You know, in today's society, people go through a lot of hard times. This is going to change how you see everything. Join me on this journey.
Where am I? This is beautiful. Hey, where's that screen? There's blood coming out my nipples. Hey, Granny, get off the road, you old hat! Why do you hate me? I tell you what, boy. Don't be coming on my property again, you hear me? Get the fuck out of the way! Hey, listen, I got nothing to do with that.
I wish I could just wipe out the whole world of these peasants.
As the executive chef of this restaurant, I would like to inform you. We took the body and we chopped it up, and then you ate. Ooh. God, you're beautiful. Talk to me, baby.
I have decided. Remove his head.
I just like it. Who's gonna stop me? I don't think so.